it's Charlie, and in today's video I'm just going to be going through just some really simple lead capture pages for you. So this is in my advanced training module for my Builderall team. So what I've done is that in Builderall, as an affiliate, you have these ready-made funnels, okay, which are absolutely amazing, but it's limited SEO that you can do on them. So I'll go through a little bit of the Google Analytics as well, where you can put the tracking codes for Google on that. But as a rule, obviously we can't do any on-page SEO for this. So what I've done is just created a simple landing page that I can do my own editing. I can do my own keywords. And then I'm just going to put a button that'll take you through to the funnels. Okay. So if I just go into this page here, and if you go into the settings there, you can actually change the name of your funnel. So as it comes up with Google here, Luke, you can actually change these names. You can actually change the description as well. Then here is where you would put in your keywords. So obviously what it's relating to. Make sure your keywords are separated with a comma as well. And again, there's your description box here and your title page. Okay, so if I just return, let me just go down. Yeah, sorry, yeah, so here in your page head scripts, that's where you would copy and paste your Google tracking link as well. So obviously you can do your analytics. So press Control and V for Victor to put that in there. Okay, save, and you're all done. GDPR settings here. Activate your GDPR friendly. Okay. So yeah, like I say, this is just a really simple lead capture page. If you haven't set up your emails yet, you can just have a really simple button. So you right click it and then go to action. And because this is the retire in 90 days training, 90 days funnel, I've just led it to the funnel in the back office, which is this one here. So if I just go to the home page just to quickly show you what it's all about. So Chad Bartlett, who is one of our top affiliates, he now works for Builderall. So again, you could either put your lead capture page as free training or learn how to make $2,000 a month. So once they land on this page, they have the opportunity to create a free account. Okay, so that funnel's all done for you. Where am I here? So yeah, just make sure it's your link that's in there. If you wanted to have a lead capture page, you would put in just press your plus button and you would put in an email marketing form. So you've got loads to choose from. So let's put a green one in, green for go. Be mindful of your colours as well, guys. So red immediately says danger, so I wouldn't choose any kind of red colours on your funnels. So again, just click to move them around. If you want to delete it, you could just make sure it's highlighted in green and press the delete button on your keyboard. So again, email marketing, you should have set up a mailing boss list. So you would just right click it and configure. Okay, so go through to mailing boss and it will ask you which list you want. Okay. So just change your image here, right click, change image. If you want to delete it or completely, you would just press the delete again on your keyboard. And if you wanted to change the background colours, oh, bear with me, page funnel. It's here. There you go. So that's your background colours as well. All right then, guys. So I think that's it. It's just really simple, to be honest. So save your funnel in the back office, and then you need to check your mobile version as well. So if it's over here, you need to just tell Builderall where you want it. So you just drag it back into your mobile. Okay. And save. What I also need you to do, if you do decide to change it to an email capture, you need to change the URL as well. So you configure which email marketing campaign you want it sent to, and then you need to change the URL. So once they have clicked the Get Access Now, you can tell the website where you want them to be sent to. So you can take them to another page. Let's see if we've got any other pages on here. I'll have a look at those in a minute, just bear with me. I forgot what they are. So I wanted them sent to the let's see, the 90-day funnel. There you go, copy that. Control and V, paste. And you do the same here. If they've just opted in on the email address, obviously you would send them out an opt-in email. Okay. Okay. So if you wanted to change this text, for example, you go to button, and there it is here. So you can put show me how okay. Just move that up, and then oh, it's all right, my screen's going a bit funny because I'm on the, let me just move it again. Okay, I can't get to the bottom of that just at the moment because I've got another pop-up coming up on me record. Let me just try something. There you go. Okay, so obviously you just press confirm. If you wanted to know how I did that, actually, you just press function and F11. Okay, and then function F11 to get it back again. Right, okay. So that's it, really, guys. So obviously you can double click down here to change the copyright name. And I think that's it. Oh yeah, I was going to have a look at this thank you page, wasn't I? Let's have a look. It might just be a general. Yeah, so it's just another, I haven't used this page. So yeah, it's just Builderall have built it for you if you wanted to redirect them to a sales video. All right, okay, so again, you can redirect them to this thank you page. Yeah, so just again, change URL, and you would return to the previous menu and select a page. Okay, so it's really straightforward. And what else was I going to show you now? Yeah, if you wanted to have a look at the different funnels, obviously I've done some for you, but if you wanted to create your own, go to Builders, drag and drop Pixel Perfect, so you can create a new website or a new sales funnel, and they're all in the back office as templates for you to choose from. So yeah, use mine, or you can use one of your own. All right then, guys, I hope that helps, and I'll see you in another video.